little baby's just been born. We don't want to stress her out though, so I'm not going to go and film her or anything because I was going to try and put a GoPro in, but again, it's just, baby's just giving birth. Don't want to stress her out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. We're finally out of lockdown. Being out of lockdown means that we can go out and shoot some more videos, so I'll be trying to upload as much content as I possibly can onto the channel over the next few weeks. We can't actually leave the state, but there's loads of stuff to do within this state, so I'm going to go and get as much done as I possibly can. Today, guys, we are going to be going down and volunteering at the animal shelter at the stables nearby. We actually got our cat from the stables, this little girl here, and she's a babe, normally. Ow! Excuse me. Say hello. She's normally a babe. So yeah, we're gonna go down and help out at the stables. We're gonna get our hands dirty. We're gonna do a little bit of work, and we're gonna go and see all the animals down there. Excuse me. What do you think you're doing? So we got her from the shelter. We rescued her, and we're going to go down and see all the other animals down there, some of which need rescued as well. So guys, make sure if you do live nearby, you can go down and see some of the animals down there. We're also going to be learning a little bit about what they do down at the stables with the animals, and sort of see what kind of things they do. So really excited about that, guys. Make sure you stay with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to. It'd be really good if you did. And let's just head straight down there now. We're going to go see some of your old friends. So guys, one thing I want to say before we arrive there, the stables are actually a non-profit organisation, so they rely on the help of volunteers and donations to help with the animals down here. So basically that's what we're doing today. We're going to go and volunteer down there, and hopefully this video will sort of get people that live locally to go down. If you've got some free time in the afternoon or just like a daytime, just email them or Facebook them and let them know that you want to come down and just help out for the afternoon. And they'll really appreciate it, and I'm sure the animals would love it as well to see more friendly faces coming down to help them out. Okay guys, so we've arrived here at the stables. We're going to have a little tour in a minute, and we're going to invite Saskia, who's here as well. She's going to come over and tell you a little bit about the stables. But first I need to put something a little bit more appropriate on to do some work. Hey, that's a little bit better. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to introduce you to Saskia, who is one of the volunteers here. And she's going to tell you a little bit about the stables, what they do here. And she's also going to put me to work so I can do some volunteering, basically. She was here a minute ago. She seems to have brought a friend. It's a little horse. It's a little baby horse. Look at it. So guys, this is Saskia. She's one of the volunteers here. And this is? Jacob. Jacob. So what kind of horse is this?
This is the miniature horse, the world's smallest horse breed. It's still considered a horse, not a pony. Yeah.
You're very little. So do you want to tell us a little bit about what you do here? And
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So we have a few horses and small horses and ponies here that they came from a zoo, for example, or they're retiring here. So it's just retirement home for them to have a good rest of their life. And other than that, we also have private horses, as you can hear. They are Frisian horses, very beautiful. And then we have a cat program where we take in bad kept or abandoned or stray cats. We foster them and rehome them. And also the same for the dogs. We take in stray dogs, abandoned dogs, bad kept dogs. We foster them, give them vet treatment if they need, and then trying to find a nice, loving, forever home for them. Other than that, we have organic farming in the back of our stables, trying to grow organic vegetables. That's a community-based project where everyone can join if you're into gardening. Also decorative gardening if not into vegetables. So everyone can join these programs like the farming part. Horse volunteers we are looking for, but the most important thing is for the fostering and rehoming programs for cats and dogs. We need a lot of volunteers that help us to socialize the animals and find a forever home for them.
What are you putting me to do today?
We're gonna do a little bit of everything, I would say.
Okay.
So you get a little taste of it, of what we're doing here, and then you can let me know where you feel the most, the best. What's the most fun for you?
So we're going to put me to work, basically.
Yeah, put you to work. We work with the horses. We see the cats, what we're doing here, and yeah, I think we also need a little bit of cleaning up.
Cleaning up. And then you're also just going to be playing with the animals for a few hours. Right, okay, so let's get to work then. Right, it's been really hard work, but definitely worth it. It feels really rewarding. Yeah, but man, it's hot. Oh.
Ollie, what are you doing?
What?
We have some work to do.
Oh, I didn't know we were actually doing work. I thought we were just doing it for the video.
Oh, we didn't even start yet.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay, sorry.
Ollie, what are you doing again?
Oh, sorry, I thought I was tired.
You have to clean up here, not sleep in here.
Oh, sorry. Right, this is Jones, and he's from Singapore. He's a retired carriage horse, and he's 23 years old. And that's like over 60 in human years, so he's an old boy. Okay, so these two are Jody and Jacob. We've met Jacob already, and they're also from Singapore. So they're from the zoo. They're from a petting zoo. So they're now here retiring again to live out a nice, happy life. Yeah, mate, I like you. I like you too. You've got such a cool hairstyle. Right, what other animals can we see? So the next animal is one that I'm really excited to show, and it's a baby wild boar. Hello. So why is this wild boar here?
So this wild boar made its way into a garden of a resident, and their dog was biting it when it was just a baby. So they brought it here and we fixed it, and now it's still recovering because we cannot bring him back to his pack. They will not accept him anymore. So he's just growing big and strong here, and then we will release him.
When it's an adult. Whoa. Oh, I get scared.
Very shy. It's a wild animal. We don't want to domesticate it as well.
Right, okay, so this is my favorite animal in here. Now, one of my dream dogs to have is a husky. They just look like wolves. Now, this dog kept very, very badly. And, hello. Now she's here and she's looking for a forever home. And I tell you what, if I could, I would definitely take her home. Hello, do you want to come say hello? Okay. That's the thing with dogs when they've been badly treated, they get a bit scared, don't they? I'm not here to hurt you. I let her eat her food in silence. This is a new puppy that only arrived yesterday, I think. Only arrived yesterday? Look at you!
He's for adoption.
Don't stop telling me these things.
Papa! Oh, you don't want to leave me.
Oh. Hello, you coming out? Oh, shit.
Lucky!
My bad.
Why?
Oh, sorry. That was my fault, sorry. So this is Lucky. I've taken my hat off because I don't want to stress the dogs out. But this is so he's actually got owners, but they're stuck in Singapore because obviously due to COVID and stuff, the owners can't get back. So he's been looked after the stables, and he's a very lovely boy. As you can see, he just ran away then. But yeah, so this is Lucky. Let's see the next ones. So we're here on time, but this dog's just given birth to a puppy. We're going to leave her be because obviously protect the mothers, but she's got a little pup. Beautiful. Wow. So this is the little garden which is out the back here. Growing some herbs and stuff. And this is the just more garden, really. So they've grown chilies here. Baby. Little baby's just been born. We don't want to stress her out though, so I'm not going to go and film her or anything because I was going to try and put a GoPro in, but again, it's just, baby's just given birth. Don't want to stress her out. Should we go and see where Marmalade came from? So we saw our little cat at the very start of the video. We're going to go and see all her friends.
This one is a Frisian horse, a beautiful horse breed from Europe. They're massive. And that's the mother of another horse we have over there.
Yeah?
Let's check out the son as well.
Should we go see the son? Okay. So we're going to give him a little groom, give him a brush. Give him a little clean. So guys, there's also some spaces which you can rent out, like if you want to have a party or you want to have some sort of venue, you can use this place. This is just one of the rooms inside. We've got a piano where I can play Chinese chopsticks. There we go. So you can rent the spaces out, guys. It's a really, really great place to come. Highly recommend coming down to volunteer. I hope you've enjoyed this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, make sure you hit the big like button. What have they got to do?
Subscribe!
Guys, make sure you share the video and I'll see you all next time.
Okay, Ollie, thank you for coming, Ollie. See you soon, Ollie. Bye.